Hi, great to meet you. My name's Lucy Attwood. I'm an interior designer and tutor at the International Career School. Providing courses for the past 11 years and with over 230 training programs and 100,000 students, the school provides practical short courses packed full of information to give you the confidence to branch out in your chosen subject. So welcome to my interior design course. Here I'll be sharing insider design tips and teaching you all the practical skills you need to create your very own interior design schemes from scratch. So why study interior design? Whether at home or work, the spaces where we live, work and play can have a big impact on our quality of life, affecting the way we feel, our level of comfort and functionality. As an interior designer, you'll know how to get the very best from a space, manipulating colour, light and objects to create spaces that inspire, calm and uplift, and most of all feel really good to be in. On the course, we'll learn all about interior design styles, colour, lighting, decor and more. You'll also be equipped with practical skills such as space planning, layout plans, 3D models and collages, so that you can present your ideas in a beautiful and professional way. With over 15 years industry experience, I'll also reveal how exactly to manage real client situations, giving you the confidence to monetize your new expertise and offer your services to your own design clients. So do you want to start your journey to the world of interior design? I invite you to visit the International Career School's website, find my course and book your place in a group right now. Hope to see you there. Bye for now.